Speech, right?
Yes.
Go ahead, push it again.